One of the phenomena in music is octaves. Why we hear octave, it turns out that we hear actually matter, non-matter, physical, non-physical, and things that of propositions that illustrate the principle of a subject. You hear that theoretical evidence. A theoretical means a collection of propositions.
Then you have the idea of intersubjectivity phenomenology. But before we get into intersubjectivity phenomenology, let's explore specifically different sorts of solipsism. One aspect of solipsism says that only the mind exists. I didn't have different sorts of solipsism. One aspect of solipsism says that only the mind exists. I didn't have
emotions, personality, and motivations, goals, and drive. But subliminals in and of itself, goals and drive. But subliminals in and of itself